How to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. So let's get started with the tutorial. The easiest and recommended way is to using the Google account. This automatically syncs your iPhone contacts with the Android phone. So on your iPhone, open the settings app, and once inside the settings app, all you have to do is simply scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see apps option available, and simply tap on the apps. Once you tap on the apps, you will have to scroll in there and look for the mail option available there, and simply tap on the mail. Inside mail, tap on the mail account option available at the top, and if you do not have your Google account signed in, then simply tap on the add account option available in there and sign in with your Google account. But if you already have your Google or Gmail account logged in, then tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will get to see the contacts option available there. Turn on the contacts. Now on your Android phone, sign in with the same Google account. All your iPhone contacts should appear automatically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.